All right, welcome back. So yesterday we kind of like rumbled about the miners, but we're not going to go into that today. So BTC still hovering at around 90K. We're going to talk about the technical levels for all of these mining stocks, including the maybe Coinbase and maybe a little bit, and also Microstrategy. So Riot Platforms. So Riot Platforms has pulled back from its highs of that resistance so far, 26% right now. Today, sort of a flat. BTC is not volatile, but over the weekend we can see those move. But here's the bigger picture for the Riot Platforms, right? This is the resistance it needs to get back above, which is blue line on my chart. This is a daily chart. So this is Friday so far, November 15th, and I'm watching this name at 11:82. So market is still open, stock is still trading. So this is the resistance I'm watching. But before that, right now we have this 1275 hour resistance, and then is it gonna fill this gap? Maybe it will come test the 200-day moving average. So if I pull up the moving averages for Riot Platforms, you will see that 200-day moving average at the moment is $10.27. It can happen Monday flush, Tuesday, whatever, over the weekend. If we see Bitcoin move, we will see this name basically flush down. Cleanspark is another miner. It is pulling back today again as well, 3.4% so far, $13.50. That's what it's trading, below the 200-day moving average. I wish it stayed above 15 for a better looking chart, but again, if you go back right here where it chopped crazily, this is a lot of supply here. That's why I was telling when I talked about this one at around this level, 15, 16, I believe, that 20 is your pivotal level for this stock to get back above. Unless it gets back above, I'm interested above 20. So that's my point. I'm not interested anywhere below because I don't want to get trapped in the choppy shenanigans. They are reporting earnings scheduled 11/29, so we still have time, 2 more weeks. Volume is declining, okay? Volume was elevated and options were going crazy. Implied volatility was crazy. So support for this name would be somewhere around here, $11. Can it come down to these levels? Possible. And that level of $11 is yearly opening price. At this level, stock will go either it will stay positive year to date or it will go negative. So this is the crypto list today so far. And what else do we have? Marathon Digital. Same with this name. I thought it would stay above 2250 at least to chop around. But again, I told many times, and I'm going to tell again, miner is a miner, okay? It should not trade at a high premium. And also, I have to mention for new people that these prices are not equal to these prices in the beginning of the year due to dilution. They have shelf offerings, shelf registered, shares that sitting there and waiting. Anytime stock pops, they sell. And I pinpointed yesterday when they sold every time stock moved higher. And I'm pretty sure if you keep an eye on their outstanding shares come 1 month or so, maybe, I don't know how often they report that data, but you will see outstanding shares increase and you will see that they sold it somewhere around here. Last time I remember they were seeking to raise $1.5 billion. So, and I did a calculation about this. If you go to back to my channel, I know I have a lot of mining stocks updates every single day. Almost in spring we were covering it, but you will find one that says that 45 million offering, and you will take a look at it. Or just go to SEC, just read SEC filings, dig the SEC filings. I think it's S3 form, and I don't think they sold everything, and they had some leftover from last year. So anyhow, 200-day moving average, this 1950, that's your support for Marathon Digital. And if it tries to bounce, the resistance would be this area of $22.50 for me, and then I would be watching $26 level as a resistance if we see overall crypto go crazy. But other miners, what should we talk about? We can take a look at Microstrategy. Microstrategy chopping around with BTC, but as soon as this today is pretty big option expiration, it can dump. But my support so far 320, resistance 360 something. I'm watching 67. In terms of okay, let's take a look at Coinbase. Coinbase was pulling back as well, but today we're having a little bit of a bounce. Again, this is pretty big option expiration date, so that's how they burn premium. They elevated the heck out of premiums. They sold both calls, they sold both puts, and who are they? Institutional, big, large traders that sell premium to generate cash, and they go with that cash, buy healthy stocks, and they buy, they hold treasuries. I mean, they park it somewhere else. So, but I think after OPEX, you will see Coinbase move as well. So my area of support would be somewhere around 260. So if it doesn't hold, yeah, 200-day moving average, it can definitely come down to 220. But again, as long as BTC stays volatile, I mean, it's good for them, and it will be trading with the premium. But you can see by the volume today, we still have time, but volume is declining already. You can see like it was trading almost at twice, 3 times, even 4 times of its daily average volume. Now today, I mean, so far we have 9 million on Friday, but it's slowly coming down to its norm. So norm is this level actually. It should trade around somewhere around 10 million, but average true range $21 for Coinbase. So you have to be careful with the range. It has a big range. So that's the update for miners. These are the levels I'm watching. If you want to watch in-depth video that I made, watch the one previous to understand why miners are not moving or staying up where they are with Bitcoin. So thanks for watching. See you in the next update. Peace.